Kelly Stitzer here with SIG Construction, Director of Operations for our Commercial Roofing Division. We got contacted by the facilities manager to address some active leaks that they were experiencing. Upon initial inspection, we discovered that there were hail impact fractures throughout the entire roof surface. To mitigate the leaks, we're applying a roof coating to get the facility through the winter until we can replace the roof in its entirety. Subsequent inspections are recommended due to the fact that the roof surface may not show the fractures for weeks or even months after it's been impacted. So there's a three-step process to applying this coating. The first step is we've got to clean it really good, which we've done. The second step is what we're doing right here is these impacts that have actually gone through the membrane, they're going to have to be flashed with what we call butter grade and reinforced with fabric. Then we'll come over and coat them with the coating.